Don't get mad, honey. It's just a bunny. Check it out. Welcome back, and if you're just joining us, we're talking about the IKEA 2018 art event, and it's the event that happens annually at IKEA, and usually they do drawings and paintings and photographs that are on really cheap paper, and it's really exciting, and then you find them in clearance bin a few weeks later. But this year they're doing something very different, and they're doing three-dimensional objects made out of glass, and here they all are. And this week we're talking about Jed Landvatter. So Jed Landvatter is an American artist born in 1977 who currently works and lives in California. He is a teacher, an art teacher here in the United States, and he is probably one of my favorite artists that I've known about for years. So we're going to talk a little bit about his website and Instagram. His website is super friendly if you're looking to buy any of his artwork directly from him. There's a link below, and it's great. So don't just get this IKEA piece, but get other pieces as well. I'm going to start off with one of my personal all-time favorite pieces, and it's the cactus rabbit. And it's super fun, and you're going to see there's a very particular line and aesthetic and detailedness that is a John Landvatter. So when you look at this cactus, you'll see that it's still a rabbit, and it has a particular shape, but it also has the caricature of a cactus. And then we're going to look at, so here is one of his prints that you could have bought off of his website with a bunny blowing bubbles, and you'll see that it's an edition of 1 of 99. And these are great images, and they're great gifts, and I bought several in the past and given them away. Unfortunately, I don't own any at the moment, and I need to fix that. Now here is another one of his really fun all bunny images. So here it is, it's just bunny, 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 bunny. And so if you also look at it and follow his work, you'll see that he plays on a bunch of different ideas of pop culture, but very much true to his aesthetic, because I don't know if you've noticed that the cactus, the bunny blowing bubbles, and the bunny, 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 they all have a very particular look. Now, he does other stuff too, but we're not going to talk about that. We're only care about the bunny, and we'll get to why. So here is the jackalope bunny. It always makes me laugh. And then here is a bunny stuck in some honey. And then here is a bunny as a zombie. Again, these are wonderful images. Some of them you can buy on his website. Some of them are sold out. So you won't be able to buy them on his website. But as you have followed, you've been able to see the bunny change, size, shape, what's happening to him, what characteristics he has. But it's always the bunny. And then we have the IKEA piece. And it's a bunny. It's a red bunny. And if you look at the bunny in the stills right here, you'll see that the same amount of detail and craftsmanship is added to him. He's not just kind of mass-produced and overly where he loses the identity of being a Jed Landvatter image. He's still truly much a Jed Landvatter image. He's still truly a wonderful kind of caricature of what art is. He's fun, he's carefree. This is a piece that even if you don't know anything about Jed Landvatter and you wanted to know more, this is someone that you would want, if you're walking through IKEA, you could clearly pick this up, and it would be a fun piece. And this would be a great gift for anyone between the ages of alive and dead, because it's so fun and you can relate to so many people about it, and the color is really pretty. So I give this 2 thumbs up, and this will be a piece that I myself will be purchasing. And stay tuned after this, and I'm going to give you a quick update on what is happening if IKEA has announced when this is happening and how much the pieces will be.